Hi, how are you doing today? Today we're going to draw the map of Bosnia and Herzegovina. You can see the names written here in the middle of the page, and you can see the neighboring countries. So on the north and on the west side, you can see the Adriatic Sea, so it's the water. On the north, you can see the Croatia and Serbia here on the eastern side, and Montenegro, it's almost in the south corners. Okay, so the map is here. Now we're going to do the color little bold and do the outlines very clearly, and you can see the visual effects very nice. Okay, so when you draw the map, it usually doesn't change over the years. Sometimes it remains steady and same for the same locations and borders with the neighbors for more than 500 years. Usually, sometimes when there's wars happens or some countries decides to merge together to make a bigger countries, in that case the map changed and the formation is changed. But that's also happened for 50, 60, 70 years, like the Soviet Union. It was once formed and then again it was broken. So that's the thing. All right, and in some cases, if you study the history, you can see that there's some empires that's bigger, grown bigger, then again grown smaller, so that things happens here. So there's the bordering countries. I already have put the borders very nicely. Now I'm going to use the crayon color. Sometimes it's called oil pastel, and putting the strokes like this one to make the country separate from the outside borders. And because the outwards color you can see here is because of the paper is the white color, so I'm giving the map a particular color so that it's defined clearly the inside area, and the volume you can see very easily visually, and there's the idea. That's why I'm putting it inside here. Okay, so after putting the crayon colors, you can see that some racks are visually clear, and that's not looking good. So for looking good, the smooth, nice and easy all the colors, you can use the blending stops, and sometimes you can use, if you don't have any, don't worry, you can use the fingers and just move like this one to make it nice and smooth and easy. So in the video you can see here that the color is just mixing up with all the area. Okay, like this one, and the color is getting blended and the whole map is coming visually clear. Okay, and now the map is nice and easy, so I use the light color so that it doesn't impact on the eyes or any problems, creates any problems. But you can see the separation points of the map, and you can understand particular things or the surrounding countries and the neighbors. The main academic purpose of this drawing maps is like, if you want, are in a high school, or if you just study the geography in your graduation course, honors course, then you have to learn it for the academic purposes and you have to memorize it. And the practical purposes, for the marketing or business purpose or for traveling purpose. If you want to go any countries, you have to know the surroundings, the neighbors, the people, the demographics, the culture, everything about this country. Then it's your time, and it's going to be very easy for you to take the right decisions about the about what you want to do or wherever you want to go. Then there's going to be less trouble and everything is going to be nice, easy and smooth. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. The more you practice, the better the drawing is going to be. That's the idea. And stay tuned with Blue Hands Drawing channel, and we're going to bring more interesting videos in future. And have a good day.